Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today in my kitchen I am making chicken roast. It's very simple and easy. You can see just few ingredients are there. Let's check the ingredients. I took one whole chicken and big chunks, 2 medium size onion paste, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, it's garlic 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon ginger, and salt according to your taste, and I will use 1/4 cup oil. So first thing first, very simple step. Except oil and salt, I will put everything in it and marinate it, and I will leave it at least for 1 to 2 hours. It's up to you if you want to leave it overnight, so you will get more better result. So let's start. And I'll mix them. It's very easy, it's preparation and cooking time. You don't have to spend hours in front of cooker, or once you put it on the stove, you can do your other things. So it's done. See how easy it is. It's done, and I will leave it for 2 hours, because after 2 hours I will cook. So I meet you after 2 hours. Guys, now we are back. You can see that I just marinated that chicken for 2 hours. Now it's time to start cooking. First thing first, I put a pan on the stove. At this time, flame is on medium to low, and I will add oil. Now oil is heated, so we will add the chicken. Now guys, remember when I was marinating I didn't add salt, so now this is the time to add salt. At this time I'm using just 1 teaspoon, and I will check the seasoning when chicken will be half tender and water will be half reduced, so it will be easy for me to balance the seasoning. Now I will mix the chicken. At this time I will keep my flame high, so it will help to generate steam quickly. Now guys, I mixed the chicken nicely. Now I will cover it and let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay, at this stage flame is high, so steam will generate quickly and help the chicken to cook nicely, and chicken will seal its juices inside. Now guys, let's check the chicken. Wow, the aroma of fresh ginger, garlic, black pepper and yogurt, it's amazing. You can see that onion and yogurt, they release their water, and this water would be more than enough to cook the chicken. We are not putting extra water. Now I will bring the flame down, medium to low, and I will cook 5 to 10 minutes, and I will check if my chicken will be tender in 10 minutes, so I will just fry it on high flame for 2 minutes, and my dish will be ready. Guys, after 10 minutes you can see that the chicken is tender and all the liquid is dried. Chicken is almost ready. At this time I will add extra flavor. To give the extra flavor, I will add green chilies. If you don't want to make your dish extra hot, so you can skip the chili, but chili gives a nice flavor in the dish. Now I will mix it well, and I will bring the flame down, and I will cover the pot half, so it will help to bring all the oil on the surface, because I don't want to cook my chicken. Chicken is already tender. Now viewers, you can see The oil is separated, oil is on the surface. That means it's ready. So I dish it out and show you. Now guys, here is my chicken roast. This is one of my favorite dish. I make it on regular basis because it's not time taking dish. It's very simple and easy and very delicious. I hope you will like it and you will try in your kitchen. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. I will bring more easy and simple recipes. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.